I hear a distant engine noise. And I see a dot that is not moving. I would like to have an explanation. This is observed in Finland. Locator grid Kilo Papa 10 Romeo, Quebec. I'm sorry, this cell phone does not focus really well. I wonder if the engine noise reaches the microphone of the cell phone. Sounds like a jet engine, but it's just hovering there. Is that a satellite? Is that the ISS? Then where does the jet engine come from? And the ISS should be moving quite fast over the skies. Well, as you can see, I use the tree as reference. There's no movement. And my hands start to get cold, so we'll cut the video soon. Yeah. Just keep an eye on the white dot on the left top of the tree. It's Wednesday. What is it, Wednesday? 21st of November 2018. And this is officially my personal first sighting of an flying object that is unknown to me. Oh, that is fun. Finland is so interesting. The aliens are coming to watch how we do forest management. That's probably the reason. Can only be the reason. Okay, the dot gets harder and harder to see for the phone camera, but my eyes can still clearly make it out. The position hasn't changed, it's just, the light just goes out. Still the very same position relative to the treetop. I'm going to put the question out to you, what might that be? I want a rational explanation, please. None of that tinfoil hattery bullshit. I'm a pragmatist, a technician by trade. I lean to the scientific side of things. Give me a scientific explanation. Ocean Henry 8 XIT signing off.